Alright, so I'm working on the '07 Rav4 today. Last little while, a couple of months, been hearing a banging in the back end. So I got it jacked up already, and so let's just have a look here. Okay, so I'm going to move the wheel. Let's see if you can see it. Okay, so I got the wheel off, and let's have a look what's got all that play in there. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's the upper control arm right here. There's also some play in the side here. Not sure if that's normal or not, but probably not. So I've already got the ABS wire disconnected, broke one of the bolts, which is pretty much common. So let me get these bolts out and that one out there, and we'll try and take this part out. Okay, got the one bolt out. Now we got to try and get in there. Alright, so it's pretty hard to show you, but I got to get this bolt out right here. So there's no way I can film that, so I'll just show you when I get it apart. Okay, so I got the part out. Came out pretty simple. So this is the really bad bushing here. And this one's probably loose as well. I have the new part here. See the difference? Oh yeah. There's no movement on that one. Nothing on that one. So yeah, this is bad. And I broke one of the bolts off that hold the ABS line. So I'm going to see if I can get this one out. If not, I'm sure we can just replace the bolts. Okay, let me work on that. Get back to you. Okay, so let's put this back in. Sure, I won't be able to film the whole thing, but I'll get some of it in here, show you. Okay, so I'm gonna have to tap that in. There's no way I can do it with holding the camera. so I got the one bolt in, and there is actually some side-to-side play on these, so it's just that that's a lot tighter than this one. Okay, so now I got to go into there and try and put the other end in. Alright, pretty much all done. I know I couldn't show much of it, but that is the new part there. And there's the other end of it right there. Pretty easy job, didn't take that long. Longest part was finding some new bolts for the ABS line, which is right there. So, not the greatest bolts, but they'll do. And see, there's no movement now. Okay, so let's put the wheel back on and go for a test ride.